My name is Hugh Agro, President and CEO of Revival Gold, a growth company in gold. We're advancing the Beartrack-Arnett Gold Project located in the western U.S. state of Idaho. We recently put out a press release which extended the mineralized zone at the Haidee deposit located on Beartrack-Arnett. This is an important set of results that we've come out with. 30 holes drilled on this program, and the results not only give us the confidence that we'll be able to extend the resource, but they also will lead to a lowering of the strip ratio and a potential improvement in the overall recovery rate for this project. It's a brownfield site with existing infrastructure, including roads, power to site, and an ADR gold processing facility that we'll redeploy to put this operation back into production. The other thing about this project is it's a relatively low capital initiative to produce gold in this phase of the gold cycle. 70 to 80,000 ounces a year of gold production over a 7-year mine life. And the results that we've just put out will extend that mine life, we believe, to upwards of another 2 to 3 years. At $30 to $40 million a year of free cash flow, that's a meaningful impact to the overall economics of this project. The project itself is a wonderful project. It benefits from brownfields infrastructure, which is to say we've got roads, we've got power, we've got a wonderful gold processing facility, which we can redeploy to resume production at the Beartrack-Arnett Gold site. And our team is advancing this project in 2 places on the Lassonde curve of value creation for investors. Firstly, we're exploring the project and we're continuing to add ounces. To date, we've added ounces at a cost to us of $5 an ounce of gold. Think about that, $5 an ounce of gold finding costs relative to the current spot gold price today of about $1,850 an ounce. Secondly, we're adding value and bringing value to our shareholders by advancing towards cash flow. We have a first phase to this project in an open pit heap leach operation, which is the restart of the existing infrastructure that we have on site, and will take us quickly to a 70 to 80,000 ounce per year production rate for gold. We're in the Western United States. We've got a fantastic team. It's a domestic project in safe geography, and we're moving that project forward quickly, fully funded and backed by Orion Mine Finance out of New York. If you think about this project as a 7-year mine life and the results that we've just come out with, the value of these results is that they can extend that mine life potentially for 2 and possibly 3 years of additional free cash flow. And by the way, this is a project that's on the fast track towards production. We've got this brownfield site, which allows us to permit more quickly than might otherwise be the case with a greenfield site. And we've got the benefit of the existing infrastructure, which lowers our capital cost to restart. I'm a mining engineer by training. I've been working in the mining and exploration business and growth in gold for about 30 years of my career. And the reason why I'm in this industry today is that the pace of global gold production is continuing to go up, while the pace of discovery, let alone the availability of projects to feed that growing demand for new growth projects in gold, in good geographies, is going rapidly down. It's becoming increasingly more difficult to find growth projects in gold to feed the demand for future mining projects. And what we have with Beartrack-Arnett is a domestic project on a brownfield site with an existing resource of now 3 million ounces of gold and a fast track towards taking that project into first phase of reproduction. And that is a valuable asset in the current marketplace and against a backdrop when most of the world's deposits are in far-flung parts of the world, and where onshoring is a trend which is undeniable in the United States. We've got great people in the United States, we've got great talent, and we've got very, very few good gold projects to take forward. Beartrack-Arnett is one of those gold projects. Revival Gold is taking that project forward towards a pre-feasibility study in 2022 and ultimately a construction decision to produce gold. Let's produce gold. Let's show the community that we can do right by their support, and we'll produce gold for our shareholders. We'll employ people. And as we're doing that, we'll continue to explore, and we'll march up that other side of the Lassonde curve, which is exploration development towards the phase 2 aspect of this project. This to us is a far more sensible way to take the project forward. 2 phases. The first, a restart of the existing infrastructure capability that takes us into gold production. And the second, a longer term initiative to explore and develop out a very large gold project. In fact, by the consultants have conceptualized this second phase project at 20,000 tons a day. 20,000 tons a day at our recoveries and our mill grades amounts to something in the order of 300,000 ounces a year of gold production, which would put Beartrack-Arnett in the top 6 of US gold producers today. If you are following the Warren Buffett school of investment, you are looking for a moat around your investment opportunities. You're looking for an opportunity to invest in a business that cannot be replicated and that is very, very difficult to bring to the public. And that's what we're doing in the mining industry, the exploration industry in the United States today. And with Beartrack-Arnett, the Revival Gold Focus project, we've got a fantastic asset with existing infrastructure, at a large resource of gold, and in the borders of the United States. This is something that has moat value around it. You cannot reproduce this. You cannot replicate it. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity.